Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to unblock people on Messenger. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open your Messenger app, and then you have to click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and then you see the settings option at the top right corner. Click on that. So what you have to do next is to scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Once you do that guys, the next thing you have to do is just scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see this blocked accounts option. Click on that, and then you see all the people who you've blocked. So now you can unblock someone by clicking on the username and clicking on unblock on Facebook. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to unblock people on Messenger. If you guys give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.